And we made it to Ladakh! Woo!
Leh is the largest city of Ladakh and its main entry port. Ladakh is set deep in the Indian Himalayas on the western edge of the Tibetan Plateau. Ladakh, or Little Tibet, is one of the highest and driest inhabited places on Earth. We landed in Leh at the airport. We head straight to our hotel to rest and to acclimate to the altitude as Leh is located at 3,500 meters high. Therefore, on our first day, we did not do much apart from shopping. Leh is Ladakh's supermarket. We walk in Leh main market where you can still visit the Tibetan monastery. Then we continue to Leh's Tibetan market. We ended in Leh local market that goes all the way down to Leh main gate. Afterward, we return to the hotel for a good night of sleep. The next day, we explore Leh's cultural side. We climb up to Tsemo Maitreya temple. We made it down to Leh Palace. We ate lunch in Leh main market. After, we visited Leh Central Asian Museum. Later, we went back to the hotel for a surprise. Motorbikes were waiting for us to drop us at Shanti Stupa to watch the sunset. Next, we ate freshly baked bread on Baker Street. Finally, we found our way back to the hotel. This is how you can spend 2 lovely days in Leh. During your trip in Ladakh, you'll keep on coming back and forth to Leh as it's the kind of the center of the region. Please feel free to leave a comment below if you have any further recommendation to share with us.
And this is how our visit of Leh ended. Anyway, explore surroundings. Bisous bisous!